Running into bots, scammers, or abusive accounts on Telegram can be frustrating, but leaving them unchecked puts other users at risk. Whether you need to flag a scammer, report copyright infringement, or take down a malicious channel, Telegram provides specific tools to handle it. In under 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact methods to report someone on Telegram the right way. Let's dive in. The fastest way to handle bad behavior is right inside the app. Head to the profile of the user, group, or channel you want to report. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. On desktop, you can right-click the profile or message. Select Report. Choose the specific reason that matches the violation, like spam, fake accounts, violence, or copyright. What if you're dealing with a sophisticated crypto scammer or someone impersonating your brand? Standard in-app reports aren't always enough for complex fraud. For that, Telegram uses an official dedicated channel and bot, @No2Scam. Search for @No2Scam in your app. Make sure it has the official verification checkmark. Start a chat and tag the scammer's username or channel link. Provide a brief, clear explanation of the abuse or fraudulent activity. Once submitted, Telegram's safety team reviews the queue for rule violations. Keeping digital spaces clean takes a community effort. Always use the proper channels to report violations, rather than engaging directly with bad actors. If this quick guide helped you secure your feed, hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more digital safety breakdowns. See you in the next one.